Dependence is expensive, and here's why. When you depend on someone too much, you start tolerating things you shouldn't. Disrespect becomes patience, silence becomes peace. You excuse behavior because you feel you have no choice. Independence isn't about pride, it's about self respect. The moment you can stand on your own, you stop begging for basic decency. Freedom begins with self reliance. Remember that. Never trade your dignity for comfort. Build yourself first. Self reliance changes everything. Choices give you power, and the power give you peace.